mama praying by a kerosene light. Barefoot youth with a dream in him chest, still searching Babylon for a little rest. Dust on a vinyl, cracking the sound. Truth still spinning while the world fall down. Old guitar hanging by the window frame, still singing freedom in Jah holy name. And the drums keep calling like thunder through the hills. Ancient voices rising, still stronger than steel. Sing reggae music till the chains them break. Heart of the ghetto never fade away. One love burning like the morning sun. Roots rock spirit till the kingdom come. Whoa, dust on the vinyl still turning round. Whoa, sweet reggae music never let me down. Full of smoke and scars, old tape machine humming like stars. Every little echo carry history. Marcus words floating through the melody. Bassline deep like the ocean floor, knocking on the soul like a lion roar. Skanking survivors through the heat and pain, dancing in the fire and the pouring rain. No gold chain could buy my song, no wicked system hold it long. The people voice too mighty now. Reggae crown upon we brow. Guitar chops, heavy one drop drums, warm bubbling bass slide, soft gamelan floating in the background. Tenor saxophone crying like midnight rain. Sing reggae music from the mountainside, carry your children to the rising tide. Old school fire still alive today. Roots and culture never fade away. Whoa, dust on the vinyl still turning round. Whoa, sweet reggae music forever sound. From Kingston streets to every heartbeat, reggae live forever, forever, forever. Yeah. Roots from the valley, songs from the firelight. Hear me now. I was born where the river cries softly at night. Grandmama praying by a kerosene light. Barefoot youth with a dream in him chest, still searching Babylon for a little rest. Dust on the vinyl, cracking the sound. Truth still spinning while the world fall down. Old guitar hanging by the window frame, still singing freedom in Jah holy name. And the drum guitar chops, everyone drop drums, warm bubbling bass line, soft camel organ floating in the background, then a saxophone crying like midnight rain. Sing reggae music from the mountainside, carry our children through the